Now I am going to work with the agent system. So I already have created the guard for the agent. That means in the config you see I already have created this agent. Okay, so if I now go to check my table, you will see that there is actually no table by the name agents. By the name users there is a table, this is okay, but there is nothing by the name agent. So my task is to create it. So I am going to my terminal and create the migration files. So php artisan make migration and then create agents table. So if I create the migration, it will create here, you will see in my database folder, here is the migrations and this is the agents. And like the other, for example, for the admin I created this, so I am going to copy this, and in the case of agent I paste it. So name, email, photo, password, token, this will be needed. And another one that is important here, like the status. You see in the user there is this one as the status. So here I will use the status. Token also will be nullable. So I can use the nullable here. And here you see all others are okay. So that's good. I am going to close it. Now I am going to my front-end HTML, and in the case of agent, if I go to the agent detail page, for example, I am going to bring it with my editor. So here you will see that in the case of agent, the agent has a company and agent has an extra. What are the extra fields? That is the company and the designation and biography. So I add here, that is after this, for example, password, and then there will be company. So after password I put here, this will be nullable. So company, and then I am going to use the designation, and then there will be biography. So company, designation, then biography. What other things are here? You see address, and here if you want, you will you can want to add the city and other information. So I am going to add those information here, that is phone, and there will be address, phone, there will be address, phone, address, country, state, city, zip. So here will be country, here will be state, city, here will be city, and then there will be zip. So country, state, city, zip, and what other things? Company, designation, biography, and there is a website, right? So some social icons, actually 6 icons does not look good, so I can add 4 icons. And you will see there is a website, that is an extra field here. So here I can use after zip, that is website, and after that social icons, for example the Facebook, and here you see biography. Biography is a big item, so here it can be text, and I am going to add here, that is the Facebook. So total 4 items: Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and Instagram. For example, 4 items I add here. And this is good. I think no more information is needed for now. Agent, these information are enough for any agent. And okay, so now what I will do, I am going to my terminal, and here I am going to write the code php artisan migrate. So the table should be created now. I am going here, refresh, you see agents table has been created with all the information here. So it is working. And I am going to check the model, and if there is any model by the name agent, yes, you see there is a model. In the last lecture I already have created this. So table creation is done. Okay, so my task is now I am going to make the GitHub Copilot. I am just going to make the extension enabled. Okay, so nothing else. Okay, that's good. So now what I am going to do, my next task is to work with the agent options. You see, in the customer registration, this is the customer registration. So in the case of agent, if I click here, what will happen? I will work with that. So I am first going here, that is like the user. You see that this is admin, this is user, and user has all the items. So similarly, I'm going to create a folder that is agent. So, and in the user, you see there is a registration, and this is the code. So I copy this, and here in the agent I am going to create the same thing. So registration.blade.php. okay, so here I paste the code, and this is the agent section, so it will be agent registration. And here you see this one, here it should be like this. Here I can do one thing, that is in many other pages are there this code, so I can globally change it. So I search it where this is happens, where this happens. So I am going to just use like this, that is asset, and then this. So I replace all the items by this. So replace, okay, this, it is better. So this will be the agent registration page, and it will call the front master. It is okay. Registration submit, it will be agent registration submit. And in the case of agent registration with the name, there will be two more items, company, and here you give the company, and there will be designation. So here you give the designation, and I am going to check the name here, if this is company. Yes, company and designation. Okay, so company and designation, and email address, password, and other things are here. Okay, no problem. Create account, and route login will be agent login. So existing agent login now. Okay, so this is the basic thing. And now I will have to create a controller like the user controller. I am going to create a controller here. So PHP artisan make controller. I am going to create a agent folder, and there I will create a agent controller. So it is better. And now you see it comes, this is my agent controller. So like the user, I am going to copy all the data like the user here. So copy this, and in the agent controller paste everything. So here instead of user controller, it will be agent controller, and folder is agent here. And you see model will be agent model, and here all other things are okay. And dashboard will be agent.dashboard, and here registration will be agent.registration. These are the pages actually. And here registration submit, all the things I will work with this, but I am going to change the basic thing from here. So okay, and now let's fix the registration first. So in the registration, name, email, and two more items, that is company. So company is required, and there is another, that is designation. So designation, and designation will be like this. So it is okay, none other things is needed. And here you see this will be agent, and all the user should be here agent. So name, email, and here will be company and designation. Okay, and there will be another extra thing, that is the status. By default status is 0, so it should be 0, no problem. And it will be agent registration verify, like this. Registration verification, and click on the link, it is also okay, registration successful. It will go back to previous page, and in the verification it will check the agent table where token and email is this, and it will be agent. And if not agent, I do not get, then it will take me to the agent_login, and status will be updated to 1, and it will be agent_login. Yes, agent login is this. So first I am going to check the registration. So this task is okay, my registration is also okay. Here you see, so this is the agent. So what the main important thing is now to work with the web. And here like the user, I am going to call in the top, that is the agent controller. So here I call the agent controller, and this is the front end. So front, I can give here the front end, here user section, then I can call here the agent section, so like this, and this is the admin section. So it is okay. So for like the user section, here you see here is the app and this is the straightforward items, so this is okay. But like the admin, what I did, I am going to copy this and in the agent paste it. So middleware will be here agent middleware, and prefix, there will be a prefix for the agent. Okay, so agent dashboard, agent profile, like this, and all the admin controller here inside agent will be agent controller. So here agent controller this, and here where there is a admin underscore, I am going to change all the admin underscore to agent underscore, and here will be agent logout. Okay, and here it will be also agent. This will be normal prefix, and publicly it will be agent slash, then it will take you to the agent login. Okay, so agent login means this is the login and login. Okay, password, here one thing that is needed, registration. So copy the registration, so total 3 items for the registration, and here I put it into the agent. So what the thing is here, that is not user controller, it will be actually the agent controller. So agent controller. So registration is here agent underscore registration, and here will be agent registration submit, agent registration verify, and as there is a prefix, so prefix will be agent registration verify. So like this, agent registration verify. So here in the registration, that means in the controller, what will be here, URL will not be this, URL will be agent slash registration verify. Okay, so this will be the URL system here, and the other thing is okay. I hope there will not be any problem. Now select user section, I am going to, from the front I go to the select user. So like the registration, in the case of it will be agent registration, so agent registration will be here, and like the login, here I am going to put here, that is agent underscore login. So now let's check it, refresh it, no error. Let's go here, agent controller does not found, where is this? So here user HTTP controller user agent controllers, so this is the issue. So go to web.php, here not user, it will be agent. So agent controller, so let's check it. Okay, so again go here, go to agent registration. You see agent registration, name, company, designation, email, and all the things are needed. You see all the designation is, all the things are needed. So I am going to log into the mail trap now. So open it. So after login the mail trap, now I am going to check it. So the agent, so fake name generator, I am going to the website, just I am going to randomly pick up some name, the agent mail name, and here the name can be German, England, English name. Okay, here will be, for example, I am going to take country, what can be the country? Okay, anything, no problem, generate, and not Finland. I am going to give the easy name like this. Okay, so Harry Turnbull, I am going to give the I am going to take the easy name, Kian Douglas. Okay, it can be okay. So I am going to create the name Kian, and what is his company? For example, his company name is, here you will see some fake company name and fake agency or something, Silverwoods here, so I bring it here. What is his occupation? Billing and posting clerk, for example, so put it here. And his email, you see this is the email, but here I will make the email easy so that I can remember. So gmail.com Kian, and now password 1234. So create account, so wait for some times, it is going to send the email, and you see registration successful, please check your email to verify your account. Okay, so if I go here, you will see this is the registration, and a link comes here to verify. If I now go to the agent table, you will see all the information are inserted, and here you will see in the last the token is here, status is 0, that means pending. Now if I click here, then it will be verified. Here you see user token, sorry, there is a problem. That means in the agent controller I use the registration verify, here will be agent, right? So agent token will be here. So click here, agent login not found. Okay, after successful it is taking me to login page, but I did not work with the login page yet, so it is showing error. But you see if I refresh, yes, status is 1 and token is not empty now. So the registration process is completed and successful. So my next task will be to work with the login dashboard, etc. Now I am going to work with the agent login system, and in order to work with that, if you click here, what will be happen, it will take you to the agent login. But actually I did not create any view yet, so I am going to create the view into the agent. That means if I go here, you will see here I will have to call the login.blade.php. okay, so it is into the agent. And here you will see in the user there are some other items, for example all the things. So in the case of agent, I can do one thing, that is I can create a auth, and here I can create a auth, and into the auth I can just use the login, register, etc. I can put into the auth, it is better auth. This is also into the auth. Okay, and into the agent I am going to create separately dashboard.blade.php. So it is outside the auth, and into the auth there is a login and registration. So what I did in the case of admin, it was the auth and there are the layouts, but here in my case in the agent I do not need any layout, but it is okay. And for the dashboard, if you want, you can create separate. For example, I can create here the dashboard folder, and then in this folder move this, and I am going to rename it, that is index. So index.blade.php. You can just create like this. It is actually depends how you will manage this. And here you can also create the profile. So profile.blade profile folder, and into there you can also create index. So index.blade.php. So like this you can do that. So let's go to work with the login again. So here I will work with the login. So what was my customer login in the user case? If you go to work with the login, user case login was this. So copy this, and in the agent login paste it. So front layout master is okay, this is okay, this will be agent login in the case of agent. And here what I will do is this will be agent login submit, and here is the registration, it will be agent registration, it will be agent forget password, and don't have an account, create account, this is okay, and it is also okay. So there is actually nothing to work more here. So I am going to the agent controller, and in the registration I just put the registration into the auth. So I call agent.auth.registration, and agent.dashboard. Here it will be index. Okay, so registration will be into the auth, and also here where there is a login, it will be into the auth.login. Now in the login, this is okay. This is the checking, request all, check, email, and here status equal to 1. Okay, and the guard will be agent guard, and after login it will be taken to the agent dashboard. Route is agent dashboard, and here if you want you can put the message what I did in the admin. In the admin, after successful I put this one. So here similarly in the case of agent you can use the with, and also in the user, in the user probably there is also no message. Yes, here you can also do that. So I back to here. So in the case of agent dashboard is okay, otherwise invalid credential, this is also okay. And when there is a logout, it will be agent guard, and route will be agent login. After it logged out, it will take the user to here, and here it will be agent.auth.forget password, and other things will be this. I will work with that later, but for now up to this dashboard and login. And what is the dashboard? You see my dashboard is here, agent dashboard, and I am going to copy this from the user dashboard. Okay, so user dashboard, I am going to copy it, and here I am going to paste the dashboard code into here. So what is the difference here? That is, in the dashboard here it will be agent dashboard. For example, I call it agent dashboard, and here it will be agent sidebar. So agent sidebar means agent auth sidebar, or if you want you can into the auth, it is okay. So I am going to agent auth, and here call the sidebar, or here layouts, or what I can write here, thinking. So the sidebar here I can create in the dashboard, because dashboard profile it's set items all will call the sidebar, right? So here what I can do, I can create layout, not layouts, section or something like that, or sidebar. By the name sidebar I can call a folder, and here I can use index.blade.php. okay, so sidebar index, here I can just put it. So here it will be agent.sidebar.index. So in the sidebar index I am going to copy the code from the user sidebar. So from here copy it, and here I am going to paste it. This will be agent dashboard, and request is agent/dashboard, then it will be active, and make payment, orders, add property, all properties, wish list, etc. is actually it is okay. Wish list should be in the case of user, so if you want you can remove it from here. So profile will be agent profile, agent/profile, and here will be agent profile, and logout will be here agent logout. okay, so make payment, orders, etc. are actually for the agent. And in the user sidebar actually there is no add property in the case of user, so here I can remove it. Order, user will not make any order, only the message, user can send message. So here I can put the message section, and all the static pages here it is not needed, I remove it. Message and wish list is okay in the case of user, profile is also okay. And this message section I will also call in the sidebar of here. So here I can call the message. So now let's close the things from here. So I am going to the dashboard. So dashboard is this, and here you see the guard, but in the case of agent dashboard the guard will be agent username. okay, so active property, pending property, featured properties, etc. recent properties is okay. And in the case of user dashboard actually there will be no active properties. Here there will be something like 3 messages or something like that, 3 messages or something like that. It is not needed to have all the things. And also recent properties, this section is not needed in this case, so just remove it. So it is okay. So I am now going to close and check it, refresh. You see agent login. From here you can go to the agent registration, and from here you can go to the agent login. So my agent name is, you see, kian@gmail.com. so I am going to log in as Kian. Login, you see, logged in successfully, and this is the Kian Douglas, and here is the agent, and all the agent system are here. And if I click on logout, here you see the logout is successful. So from here if I go to the login again, and here if I go to the customer login, customer is smith@gmail.com on to 34, and now here see customer has only this on these items. okay, so edit profile and other things. okay, so click on logout, customer dashboard you see in the top. And in the case of agent, what will happen, I am going to log in as Kian again. So gmail.com 1234. You see in the top the agent dashboard is showing. So if you go to other pages and then click on agent dashboard, it will take you to the agent dashboard section. So it is working without any hassle and working perfectly here. Now I am going to show you how to work with the edit profile here, and here you see there is a profile. This index is completely empty for now. Okay, so I am going to copy this from the user profile, and here from here edit. Okay, I am going to copy the data from here, and in index.blade into the profile folder I am going to paste it. So here it is agent profile or agent edit profile, whatever you want you can give here, and here it will be agent.sidebar.index. okay, so it will be agent profile submit, and here existing photo guard will be agent, and all other things. For example, here is a name, and there will be a lot of other items here. For example, name and email, but not webguard. It will be agent. So agent name, email, and I am going to add more items. For example, company and designation. So company here is company, and then there will be designation, and here designation. Company and designation are mandatory, so it is okay. So company designation, then I am going to copy this again. After company designation, then there is a phone, and then there is a address, but these are not mandatory. For example, phone and address, or if you want you can make this mandatory. In this case it depends on you actually. So phone, and here will be address. So phone, address, then more items here. Country, so here it will be country, then here will be state, here state, country, state, city, and zip. So here call here the city, and then zip code. So here I am going to give here the zip, and after that there is another one, that is that is the website or social media. So website, if you want you can give here website and some social items. For example, 1 2 3 4. So after the website there will be Facebook. So Facebook will be here. So Facebook, then Twitter, and here it will be Twitter, then LinkedIn, and here it will be LinkedIn, and then there will be Instagram. So here it will be Instagram. Okay, and the last one will be biography. So here I put the biography that I can put after the password. It is okay, that is biography, and here I am going to give, but not input. Here it will be text area. So text area will be here, and class will be biography, and name will be here, sorry, not class, here text is equal to okay. So name equal to biography, form control is okay, and A is 200, something like that. Biography will be shown here. So let's check it if it works or not, and lastly it will be update. Okay, and biography will be column D12. So now if I refresh and click on edit profile, you see photo is null in the agent profile. Where is the web? And here in the agent controller I am going to the profile section. Okay, so profile section is agent.profile.index. okay, profile submit, I will have to change it now. That is, first I am going to show it. Okay, so this is the existing photo. Agent has no photo, so existing photo I can make this one to for example, class is user photo. Okay, it is okay, no problem. and change photo, name, email, company designation, all the things are given here. So password and confirm password. Here what I can do, name, email, company designation, one item missing here, so password should not be here. I am going to put the password in the next line. So something will be like this, that is call MD6 in all the cases. So I can end the row here, and then again like this. So it should work. Okay, now it looks good. So password, confirm password, and then you can put the biography. And if you want, you can put any editor in the case of biography. It depends how you want to look it in the home page. So this biography is this, so it is okay. I'm not going to change it. So what is the next thing? Next thing is to submit it into agent profile. Profile submit, it will come. And what are the mandatory fields? Here you see web, but here it will be agent, user, and it will check into the agents table. Okay, so it will check everything except this one. So this is the thing I am going to show. So unique will be this, and there will be a company is required, designation is required, and photo will not be like this. Here I am going to give agent, and it will be agent, for example, and guard will be agent. And request photo is this, it is okay, and it will be agent underscore, and this will be the agent photo, this is agent photo, and this is agent photo. And here the password, it is agent of password will be this one, and there is agent, and agent. After name and email, there will be, for example, company, then designation, then I am going to give agent. What other fields are here? So phone is another field, so phone, address, city, first is country. Okay, so agent of, here I write the country, and then state, then city, then zip, and then I will write not status, it will be website can be here, then social icons, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and 4 items are here, and one is biography. So agent biography, equal to request of biography. So it is okay. So website, I can call the website last, so it is better. And similar way, here you see I can just call the website after the social icons, so it will look good. So refresh, this is website. As web URL can be bigger, so here I can use the 12, so it looks better. So this is the thing, and click on update, you see profile information updated. So really it is updated or not. In order to check it, I am going to here, that means I am going to my project, frontend HTML uploads, and here are some agent photos. For example, this one I am going to upload by him. Okay, so it is working. And if you go to check it into the project, public uploads, and agent underscore, you see this one coming. So this is the first agent in my case, and phone, address, etc. If you want, you can bring from here. You see this is the phone number, so you can just bring the phone, and if you want, you can bring the address. Address means this is the address. So here this is the country is Australia, state is, for example, BIC, and this is the city, this is the zip, and so like this. So in this way you can put the address, this is better. Okay, and here I can just remove this one, it is okay. Country, state, city, zip, And Facebook, for example, there is no link but hash. And website is, for example, this one, and here I put it https www.pcstylist.com.au, for example, this one. And biography, what can be there in biography? I can lorem ipsum generate. I can just put something from here, and I can put the data, so like this. So click on update, you see it is updated, and all the data you see that I gave here are updated. And if the password is working on not 1 2 3 4 5 6, I am going to change the password. Update, yes. Now log out, and you know it is Kian, so kian@gmail.com. 1 2 3 4 will not work, right? So now it is changed. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 I will have to give here, and it is working. So I again back the password to the previous one, 1 2 3 4, then update. Okay, biography field you can make a bit larger. That means here I can use the ACE 400 or something like that. I'm not sure if there is any class by the name 400. I can make it 300. No. So here instead of underscore I am going to give it. So let's check it. No, it is not working. So I am going to the CSS of the front end. So go to the public first. So I go to the public, dist front CSS and style. If there is any height wide given, you see height is very small, so here I am going to increase some height. So 200 is okay, then 250, then 300, here is 350, and here is 400. So 400 will be here, 350 will be here, 300 will be here, 250 will be here. Okay, so like this. So I close it, and now if I refresh, you will see it is working. So I make the height a large bigger. So you see the agent profile section is working, and dashboard this, and this is the profile section. So log out for now, it is okay. Now I am going to check the agent other actions. For example, in the agent login you will see there is a forget password, but here is nothing, right? So in the auth I will have to create the forget password for the agent. So I am going to the agent and auth, and here forget password.blade.php file, and similarly I am going to write the reset password. So it will be reset password.blade.php. So forget password will be like this one in the user. So just copy it, and in my forget password paste it. So what is the difference? Difference is agent forget password, and here is agent forget password submit. Email is this. Here will be agent login, back to login page. Nothing special here. So close it. And like the reset password, so copy this one from here, and here in my agent auth reset password paste it. Here is agent reset password, and here is agent reset password submit. Password are both okay, so it should work. So now my next task is I'm going to close. So in the agent controller I will have to fix it. So forget password is agent, this one is okay, and when it will be submit, here it will be agent, not user. So all the here I'm going to change here, right? So this will be agent, and here this will be agent, and all the user will be changed by this one, that is the agent. I change everything, and route will be agent reset password. So click on the link to reset it. Yes, it is okay, and all the things I hope is okay. And time, token, update, etc. are given here without any issue. And the reset password, this is the agent, and this is agent, this is agent, and here is agent login, and here it will be agent dot auth dot reset password. Okay, and here when the reset password will be submitted, here it will be agent, and this one will be agent in all cases, and it will be agent login. So I hope everything is okay and there is nothing rest. So I am going to click on submit agent forget password. So if I give the user email, customer email, it should not work. You see, no, not found. So Kian will be here, and you see it is going to send the email. So wait for some times, and yes, you see reset password mail gum. Now here if I check it, this is the reset password, and here if you click, it will bring you the agent reset password form. Okay, so if you give two types of thing, it will not work. So you must have to give the same password. So yes, it is working. Now if you try to visit the link again, it is not possible because now the token is invalid. So reset password, forget password, these two types of things are also working here in the case of agent. So agent login, forget password, and reset password is working. And what I did in the case of user, I am going to show you one thing, that is, you see here is, I am going to close everything. Okay, so in the agent I call the auth dashboard profile sidebar, right? In the user there is no auth. So in order to use it just like the agent, what I will do, here I can create auth folder, and now forget password, push it here, then login, push it here, then I am going to push the registration here, and then the reset password I am going to push here. So in here it was forget password, login, registration, reset password. User also forget password, login, registration, reset password. And for the dashboard, here create a folder dashboard, and this dashboard.blade, push it here, and into this dashboard I am going to rename it, that will be index. So here I am going to put index. And the sidebar, you see user, there is a sidebar. So here what I will do, I am going to create a sidebar folder, and this sidebar push it into here. So into the sidebar I am going to change the name, it is actually index.blade.php. okay, last one is profile. So in the user I create profile folder, and profile.blade.php, push it into here, and in the profile I am going to rename it, and its name will be index.blade.php. so it is similar to agent. So what things I will need to change in the profile index, you see user.sidebar, but now it will be user.sidebar.index. Similarly in the dashboard it will be user.sidebar.index. okay, so this is actually the main change here, and in the controller I will have to do some change. Now if you try to go there, for example if I go to the login, customer registration, there is error. So just in the controller fix it. So user.registration, here it will be into the auth. So auth.registration. okay, so if you go here, it is okay. So login also there is a problem. So what will be there, this auth will be also into the login. So user.auth.login. Now if I refresh, you see it is working. Forget password, customer forget password is not working. So similar thing I will use in the case of forget password, user.auth.forget password. okay, so it is the customer forget password. So similarly here you see I am going to do the same thing, user.auth.reset password. It is okay. And when user is logged in, when he will go to his profile, it is user.profile, not profile, it is user.profile.index. Similarly the case of dashboard is user.dashboard.index, right? So it is something like this. So I hope now everything will work. So if you go to the login page, login, if I go to the Smith gmail.com 1234, you see dashboard is working and edit profile is also working. And here edit profile, instead of edit profile I can just give the heading so that you can easily understand. So here is in the case of login, customer login is okay, registration, customer registration okay, forget password, here I give here customer forget password, and reset password. Here will be customer reset password. So these 4 items are okay. So like this. So next one is in the user, there is a dashboard. So in the case of here, it will be customer dashboard, and profile is here is customer profile. So customer profile. So it is actually needed because you can easily understand in that case customer profile and customer dashboard. So okay, for now this looks good. In the case of here, customer login, and when agent registration, customer registration is customer registration. Customer login here, customer login, and agent login here is agent login. So okay, it is working perfectly. Now I am going to work with the real estate package system. You see in the pricing page, if I go to the HTML and in the pricing, you will see there are many pricing packages here. So what is actually my system? My system is, there are 2 kinds of user, one is customer and another one is agent. So agent will just log in. That means agent will first create his account, then he will log in, and then he will purchase the package from here, that is basic or standard or gold. And after agent purchase any package, then he will add his properties and all the properties. Then admin will just review the properties, and then those properties will be live. And when any property will be live, then what will happen? Then the customer will just log in here, and without login also a customer can see any kind of properties that are showing in this website. So okay, so this is actually the system in this website. So customer will not purchase anything or will not do anything with the payment option. Payment option will only work with the agent. That means agent will just purchase the package and use his and add the properties, and then customer will contact the agent if he want his property for rent or for buy or any kind of reason. So this is the main concept of this website, and I will show you how to create the packages, how to create the locations, how to show all the properties, everything I will show in front of you. There is no problem at all, and I hope you will understand it very easily, because I will try to show this in a very easy way in front of you. So first it is the pricing. So who will actually add the pricing package? This pricing package actually admin will add, right? So from the admin panel, admin will add many types of packages. For example, basic, standard, gold, etc. Admin can add. Admin can edit any package. Admin can delete any package. And for any particular package, how many properties agent will be able to add if he purchase this package, that number admin will give here. For example, here you see 5 properties allowed, and for something you will see 5 featured properties. That means how many properties the user or the agent actually they will make, how many properties as featured, that he can control from here. This is another option, for example. And how many photos per property an agent will be able to add, that limitation admin will set up here. Okay, so this is the package. So for this thing I will have to create a table, and you see it is my database. So I am going to my code, and in my code I am first going to create a migration file. So PHP artisan make migration, and then the table name. Table is, for example, packages table. So I write it packages table, and also I am going to create model. So make model will be package. So package will be the model. Okay. So now what is created here? This package has been created. This is the model, and also another one that is created is into the database. There is a migration, and you see this is the migration table. This is the migration file where I will create the table, and here I will just give the field names. So my field name is, for example, the package name. This is important, and here is not name, sorry, it will be string. So it will be string, and field name is name. So this is not nullable because you will have to give this one, and then another one will be the price. So here I can go to give here integer, and integer will be here the price. So the price will be nullable or not, it actually depends on how you maintain this one. If you think that you will create a free package and that only will be accessible by one time, that is also possible. or if you want that you will not create any type of free package, then this is also possible. It actually depends. So I am not going to give anything free here. I am just going to give here the price, but yes, if you want, you can give here nullable. I am going to make everything nullable so that in future I can extend anything. So name, price, and another one is for example allowed days. How many days? And then there will be allowed properties, and there will be allowed featured properties, and I am going to check my front end. Where is the featured properties? Actually I am going to check these are the properties. Which is featured? It is linked up. Okay, so all the featured properties are showing in the front end. Okay, this is okay, no problem. So allowed featured properties, and then the next one is allowed photos. So it will be allowed photos, and the next one is allowed videos. And these are the things. Also timestamps are also given here, because created and updated data attributes will be automatically here for the timestamps. So allowed days, allowed properties, featured properties, photos, and videos. This is enough, and I think it should work. So go to terminal and create migrate, run the command, that is migrate, to create the table. So I run the migrate command, and now if I go to the database, you will see the new packages table comes here, and these are the fields I gave here. So my migration section is completed, and here I am going to close it. I do not need to change anything in the model how it is okay. I am not going to touch it. Now my task is to work with the admin controller. And in the admin controller, here you see admin dashboard and many methods are here, but for the package I can create a separate controller here. So in the terminal I am going to call php artisan make controller, and into the admin folder I will create admin package controller. Okay, so a new controller will come, that is the admin package controller, you see. And here I will use app, then models, and then package, because package is the name of the model here. So the table will be called by this way, so I am going to put it like this. And here will be public function index in order to show all the items, all the packages. And you see packages equal to package all, or here you can use the get also, and here you can use a order by, and order by id, and ascending order. Okay, so all the packages I will send it to the packages index, and for this reason in the views, and then there is admin. Here I create a packages or only the package. Okay, so not packages, I create a folder, that is the package, and here I create index.blade.php. so all the package here I will show. So if I want to show here all the packages, what will be the thing? It will be like the layout that I am going to give here, that is admin panel HTML, and there is a table, I am going to open it, because this layout I will need here. And in the web.php I will have to work with something, so I am going to the route and web.php. This is very important. And here after the admin controller, here I will call the admin package controller. So this is my controller, and I am going to the admin section, and in the admin section here I am going to create the package. That means I am going to give a gap here, and here I am going to give index. This is the function, and controller is admin package controller, and here admin package, and here index. You can, if you want, you can call the index. So package index, that means I am going to show all the package using this one, and when I will create a new package, then I will write here the create, and then the function name will be create, and here it will be create. And when it will be submitted, the form submitted, so package, here I can give the store, and here what I can do, I can give here submit create, or here I can give the store. this is also okay. So here I can give a store, package a store, and here is the post route, so it is okay. Now in the controller I have this one and this one. I am going to create, that is public function create function, and here only what I will need, that is admin.package.create. so another blade I will need here into the admin folder, that is package folder, and then create. So create.blade.php. so here you see my task is done for this. Now I will work with this one, and you see I have a sidebar. So in the case of admin, in the auth, where is the sidebar? You see I am going to the where is the master? So layout, you see in the admin I have layouts, so sidebar is here. So I open it because it will be needed for me. So package, for the package section I am going to copy for this, and here it will be, for example, the package. Okay, so here I am going to give package and anything, then active. So package, it can be package active or package this or package that, in this way. And here it will be package index. So this is okay, and I think it should work. So let's do that. So I am going to my admin panel. So in the admin I am going to the admin panel, and here I am going to log in as admin 1 2 3 4. So this is my admin, and you see already package comes, but the icon will not be like this. I am going to make the icon as file, so it will be okay. So package, so click here, you see nothing coming because in the index my index is empty. So what I will do here in the admin, you see there is a dashboard, so just open it. The layout, here I am going to copy, and here I paste it, and I am going to use the end section, so like this. Okay, so nap sidebar is okay in this case. And what I will do, I am going to my table. That means you see I have a table. I am going to open it, and main sidebar and main content starts from here. So this is the main content of the table. So I just copy this, close this. In my index it will be like this one. Okay, so this is the table. So perfect. Now what I will do here, all the packages I will have to write here, and another one that may be needed. I am going to the profile. Okay, I am going to the HTML actually. If there is anything like setting, okay, open it. I am searching another one because with this there should be another one that can be form. I am going to check it. Yes, this one, ML auto. So here I copy this, and in the table means actually packages. So all the packages you will be able to see here. This one I will bring because if I want to add packages, so add new I will call here, and here the route will be that is the admin package, then create. Okay, so it will tell me it will take me to the create page, and here all the packages. So here name will be there, pack price, and here all other things are here. So allowed item, allowed properties, then allowed featured properties, another one is allowed days, and allowed photos and allowed videos. So here write that is photos, and here you will have to write that is videos. So, and this is the serial, it is okay, and this is perfect. So now here I am going to run the query because I have the package controller here. All the packages are here. So here I am going to write for these packages as package, single package, and it will be ended here. So here I am going to write end for this. Other items are not needed. So this is okay, and I think it is good. And here it will be, for example, loop iteration. First item is loop and iteration. Okay, so here it will be name. So here it will be package name, and then the next one is package price, and then after that name price. So what are the other items? Allowed days. So here I can write that is allowed days. So here it will be package of allowed days. So like this. Then allowed properties, allowed featured properties, allowed photos, allowed videos, all the things I am going to show here. Here is nothing to work with the modal, so I am just going to delete the modal items from here. Okay, so it is okay, but another one is action that I miss here. So here I am going to check it again into my HTML table, because there was probably another one that was, yes, this one. So here I am going to copy, and here I am going to paste it here. So here is show, I is not needed, but edit and delete is okay. So primary fa edit, and are you sure it is delete? Okay, so let's check it, refresh. You see packages add new should be in the right. So here what I can do, email auto, here deflex, justify content between. Okay, so if I use like this, now it is fixed. Okay, so if you click here, it will take you to the create page, but create page has no content similarly. So I copy this from index and in the create paste it, and here you will have to write create packages, and here it will go back to view wall. So view wall items here, and it will be index, and here icon will be I, so something like that, and it should work. Now here instead of table, there will be no table at all. Here I will use here form. So I am going to the form style, that means here, and what was the form starts from this, and there will be like this. So copy this one and here paste it. So in my form here will be CSRF, there is nothing about the photo in this case, so remove it. And here will be a store, I already have this on, that is admin, that is package, then a store. And here what will be in this location, that is the name. So name is mandatory, and all the things actually here mandatory. So name I give here, so like this. If you want, you can use the old system here, that is not a problem. So name is okay. Similarly the next one will be price. So here I put price, and here it will be price, name and price. Then the next item will be what, I am going to copy this and copy here, also copy here. So the next set is allowed days. So allowed days, here will be allowed days, and then will be allowed properties, and here it will be allowed properties. Then the next item I am going to copy and paste it here. This will be allowed featured properties, only featured will be added here. So here it will be allowed featured properties. Okay, so next one is actually allowed photos. So here I write allowed photos, and here can be allowed photos, and the next one will be allowed videos. So here I put videos, and here it will be allowed videos. So okay, and these three items you can put in this way, 4 items, then it should work like this. Okay, so name, price, allowed days, allowed properties, featured properties, allowed photos, allowed videos. In this way you can just show this and then click on submit. When there will be any submit, what will happen, it will work here like this. So this is the store, and here it is a post route, so here will be request. Okay, and here I will check if the name is required, price is numeric required, So here is not duration, here it will be allowed days equal to numeric, allowed, here will be allowed properties, it will be numeric, allowed properties, featured properties, it will be this, then allowed, here it will be photos, and another one will be allowed videos, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here I check allowed properties, allowed days. Okay, so these are the items here. And package, I already have called it, and package create, here you can also call the, do like this way, but I will not use this. It will be new package, and then package name equal to name, price, allowed days, properties, featured properties, photos, videos, and package save, like this. And it will take you to the index page after creating and package created successfully. It is not needed. Okay, so it should work. So let's refresh, submit. You see, you have to give all the information like this. Okay, so if you want to give this type of information, then I will have to give here the create package. For example, what will be the my package basic, and for example it is only $9. Okay, submit. You see, this is not removed, so it is here. And another one that is important to tell you, that is if there is any unlimited option, here you see this is unlimited. So in this case I will put minus properties. For example, I want to allow the user to add unlimited properties, then I will give here -1, like this. -1 means unlimited. So this is just a trick I will apply here to fix the problem. Okay, so how many days? 5 properties, and 5 properties allowed 15 days, or here I can give here, okay, 15 days is okay, 5 properties allowed. And if there is nothing, then I will give here 0, and photos 2, videos 2. Submit. You see, it is added. So allowed featured properties 0 means you will not be able to give any properties, and -1 means unlimited, that I will show you, no problem. And here one thing, in order to do here, sorry, here I will give class equal to w100, then the edit buttons will be in the same line. Now it is in the same line. And here another one I can apply, that is btnsm. It is better, btnsm, that means the small size. Okay, so now basic, you see this type of thing. Now add another one. The another one is a standard package. I bring it here, standard, 30 days, 15 properties. Okay, so this is price is, for example, 19, and 30 days, 15 properties, 30 day 15 properties, allowed featured properties, yes. And here I can give 5 items, 5. Submit. And another one is, for example, the unlimited property, and the price will be bigger here. For example, that can be 49, and here it will be gold, and here it will be 60 days allowed. Allowed properties unlimited means -1. Photos unlimited, I can give here -1, or you can limit the photos if you want. And how many featured properties? Total 15 featured properties. And allowed properties, allowed photos, here you can limit or make it unlimited, depends actually, and I make it flexible. And so click here, you see allowed properties -1. As you are admin, you will understand what is -1, or if you want, you can just show here. When I will go to edit, the value will be -1 show in the box, but here you can show the unlimited. For example, here I am going to close it, and in the index here I can check for each items. For example, what can be unlimited? Allowed days should not be unlimited, so I am going to think allowed days, or it can be allowed this, there can be lifetime offer. So okay, allowed properties unlimited, featured properties, everything can be unlimited. So here if you want, you can just give here, that is if condition. So if package allowed days equal 0 is okay, and if equal here is -1, then it will be unlimited. So not equal to -1, here I put if not equal to -1 this, else it will be unlimited, end if. Great. So the next item that I should give here, I just wait for some times, GitHub Copilot should work for me. Allowed properties yet it is following the previous style, so it is very amazing. Yes, you do not need to do anything, just you remove it, wait for some times, it will follow the previous style and give you the code. This is the power of GitHub Copilot. So just wait for some times. Okay, that's good. So I hope you understand. Refresh it, you see where there is -1, it is unlimited. Now I am going to work with the edit option, and in order to work with the edit, you see that here is a edit icon. So here I am going to call the route. So route can be admin package edit, and I will have to pass the package ID. So package ID I will have to pass in the route, and I am going to the web.php, and here like create an store, I am going to copy and paste this, and here it will be edit and update. So this one will be edit, and then next one will be update. Okay, so here I am going to the next one, and this will be update. And in the case of edit, there will be ID, because you are going to edit using the ID, and in the case of update, you can also use the edit. So for now the edit is okay, and I am going to admin package controller, like the create, I am going to copy it, and I am going to, after the store, paste it, it will be edit, and here there will be a parameter, so ID will be here. I am going to get all the data from here, like this. The GitHub Copilot suggests me here I can use the where, or you can use the find or fail, whatever you want you can use it. So here like this I am going to get the data. So raw data is in my hand, I am going to pass it into the edit option or edit view page. So in the edit blade, what I will do, I am going to create here now into the admin and package, and here I am going to create edit.blade.php, and in the edit.blade.php it will be similar to create. So I am going to copy this and paste it here, and it will be edit package. Okay, so view all is okay, and it will be update, it will be submit to update with the package of ID. Okay, so here name is this, but the value will be changed here, that is package of name, because in my package all the data is in my hand. So I am going to write here, that is the package, copy this, and here it will be package of price. After that there is allowed days, so here I will write package of allowed days. After there I am going to write allowed properties, so package of allowed properties. After that this one I am going to replace allowed featured properties, and then there will be this, it will be allowed photos, and here last one will be allowed videos, and here the button will be update button. And when I'll submit this data, it will come to the public function update. So public function update, it will be ID here, and another one will be request. So here I call request of request, and ID will be another parameter here. So how I can update this one, just you see automatically it suggests me. First I am going to check, so name, price, allowed days, properties, featured properties, etc. Okay, from package this one allow this properties etc. Okay, and then save. Okay, that should work. Package updated successfully. So I hope it will work now. Refresh it. You see I am going to add a new one first. For example, as a test I am going to give a new one. Okay, so 1 on 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5, and here is 0 for example. Submit. You see this one is coming in the last. So I am going to edit it, and when I am coming to edit, you see all the data are into the fields. Now I am going to check everything. So like this, 1 on 1 2 2 2 3 3 3. In this way I am going to update. You see data is updated, and if you go here you will see updated data are showing here. Okay, so these are the updated information. Now I am going to delete it. So in order to delete the data, here you see like the edit, I am going to copy this one and into the edit here paste it. It will be admin package delete or destroy. You can use the destroy also like this, or delete is okay. For now I am going to the web.php. Like the edit, I am going to copy it and paste it here. It will be delete, and here it will be delete, and here it will be delete. Okay, it should work. Now I am going to work with the delete function. That means public function. Here it will be delete. So write it delete, and here you will see it is going to generate some codes. So package, if the package is not found what you want to delete, then there will be an error. If you want, you can make this type of security here. That is good, no problem. And here it is also completely okay. Or if you want, you can just make it simple. How it is simple? You see package, just call the package delete. That means this, and after that you can redirect the user to the previous page like this one. So it is also okay. So for now I am not going to make it complex. It is okay. Now refresh it, and now try to delete it. If you click here, you see are you sure, and this last row will be deleted. So let's check it. Okay, you see package is deleted successfully. If you refresh the table now, the fourth item is not here. That means that deletion is working without any problem. So you see I can add easily the package, I can delete the package, and I can also change the data of the package. That means you can easily update the package. Now I am going to show the package into the front end. For example, you see this is my HTML, and in my HTML you will see that this is the front end HTML pricing page, and here all the packages are showing in this way. Choose plan is another case, but you see all the packages are showing here. So what I will do, I will show the packages in my front end. I am going to my front end, and you see this is my project front end, but there is actually no route for the pricing in the front end. So I am going to do that. I am going to close all the things except this one, and in the front controller I am going to copy the contact this one, and here I am going to show the pricing. Okay, so this is the pricing page, so I am going to give the name pricing. And in the view in the front you see there is a layout and there is a nav, and in the nav you see the pricing is this. So here I am going to put the front end route here, that is route of pricing. So it will be enough for me now, and I hope it will work. So just close it. Okay, now let's go to the front controller. Here is the front controller, and here I am going to give the function pricing and return front.pricing. So I will need a view in the front. So let's go to the front. In the front you see these are the pages. Here I am going to create pricing.blade.php. so this is a blade file. Okay, now from the front end HTML I am going to open the pricing. That means this page I am going to open, and here you see this page is this. Okay, contact page. So layout is this one. So in my blade here it will be end section. Okay, and the inside content will be from here from here. paste off. From here I am going to copy the data, so this one, and in my pricing I paste it, and the top one I will replace it by this one in the case of pricing. Okay, and pricing is okay, and this one I will make dynamic. So from the front controller you see the pricing, it is okay, but in that page I am going to show the packages. So from the package I am going to get all the data. Okay, so all the data, but order by I am going to use here, order by. Here I am going to give ID and ascending order, and this one I am going to send it using compact to the pricing page. That is all the packages, and in the top I must have to use the app models package. Okay, so packages I am going to call here, and you see each time this one is going to be repeated, so this is the repeated div here. So for each I am going to call that is packages as package, and repeated thing will be here. So I am going to use end for each. So end for each, and here it is okay. Now what will happen? You see, for all the cases the heading there is nothing to change. The change is actually where there is nothing. If a check, you see, if a check means these are allowed, and if a times mean this is not allowed. So if there is any value 0, then the icon will be changed in the case of times. So one by one I will do that. So I am going to copy this one and here paste it here, and you see there is a times and check. This is the difference, and another one difference is unlimited. You in the last you see there is just unlimited properties allowed. So there is nothing special, just unlimited properties allowed. Or if there is 0, value is 0, then no featured property. So this is the change actually, or no featured property allowed, or something you can give here. It is actually depends on you. So I am going to work with this section only, and here you see package. So package name I will have in my hand, that is here. So this will be the package name, and after that there will be the package price. So I put the package price here, and number of days allowed, that means here it will be allowed days, and this section is okay. Now here if a check or if a times, so this is important. So how many properties allowed? So here I can do a logic here, that is you can use the PHP. Here is PHP and in PHP. Okay, so here I will write something. If for example how many properties allowed, so allowed properties, if allowed properties equal 0, allowed properties can be 0, and if 0, then what will happen? If allowed properties 0, then the value of the allowed properties is equal to package of allowed properties. Okay, and not allowed properties, it is package of allowed properties 0. So if package of allowed properties is equal to 0, then allowed properties will be 0, no problem. And here else if it can be -1, right? So else if allowed properties, that means here I write this one like this. So allowed properties will be allowed properties unlimited, and otherwise it will be again allowed properties. So this is the perfect thing for the case of allowed properties. And the icon here, allowed properties icon, you can define that means you see if a check. So here I can use here another thing, that is it can be allowed properties value. Okay, so this is better. Allowed properties value I will write there, and another one is allowed properties icon equal to, here first one will be FA check. So 0 means, actually 0 means which? 0 means no featured property. So if there is 0, sorry, here is not 0, it is actually -1, right? So if 0, then what I will write here, no featured property. So if 0, the text should be changed, that is no featured property. Okay, otherwise 5 properties, otherwise it will show 5 featured properties, 5 featured, no featured property, 5 featured properties. So here you can do another thing, that is value is no, unlimited featured property, and 5 featured property. Okay, so this should be okay. So when 0, then actually icon will be changed. So here I am going to give it times check, and here is check. So let's here I think you understand here what happened. So icon, this icon is times and check. For the unlimited it is checked, and for the value it is checked, but times will be where there is no. So no, unlimited, and this one, that is okay. So icon I will write here actually the icon. So here 5 properties. It is featured property or normal property? It is allowed property, right? So 5 properties allowed. 5 property allowed. Okay, I am going to write the icon here, and allowed properties means this one. Okay, change it, no problem. So here is allowed properties icon, and there is another one, that is allowed properties value. So value will be here, value means this one. So unlimited properties allowed, or 5 properties allowed, or no properties allowed. So no problem at all. So the same thing that I apply here for the allowed properties, for the allowed featured properties I will do the same thing. So it will be all the allowed properties will be allowed featured properties, allowed featured properties. Nothing is changed here. So allowed featured properties icon, so like this. So I am going to copy this, and here featured property will be this one, allowed featured properties icon, and another one is value. So I put the value here, properties value. So this is the 2 items, and there is another one, that is allowed photos. So allowed photos, similarly it will happen. So I am going to copy this, and here is the icon here, allowed photos, allowed photos icon, allowed photos icon, and allowed photos value, and the value is in this case, so it is allowed photos value. Okay, same thing I am going to copy, paste it here. It will be videos, allowed videos, and here allowed videos, and here videos part property, and here I also call this one copy, and all photos I am going to change by videos. So in this way you can actually control the section, and I hope you understand what happens here. I am now going to remove the other things that are given here as a static item. So I remove this. So now let's check it, refresh. If I click on pricing, you see pricing page coming without any problem, and the pricing has been changed to my given pricing. You see unlimited 15, I gave this to unlimited, and here is this, here is this. If you now go to edit, for example, there is no photo allowed, 0 and 0 update. You see this 2 is now no. And if I again go to allow it, 2 and 2, and 2 and 2 will be here. So refresh it, you see 2 properties, two videos and 2 photos. So 5 properties allowed, unlimited properties allowed, no featured property. This is 5 featured property, 5 featured property, 2 photos per property, 5 photos per property, unlimited photos per property. Yes, so everything is working here in the front end about this.